Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and we have another video for you guys that I wanted to share with you. And our friends from up north in Canada, BRS Battery, they sent us a battery down for the Can-Am. And it's a super battery, and it comes already charged and everything. And the good thing about this battery is you have a choice. You can either get the 2-year battery or the 10-year battery warranty. So basically, they sent us a 10-year battery warranty. So if anything happens, if it doesn't start or if the battery goes bad or anything like that, no hassle return. All you guys got to do is go on our website, fill out a form. They'll send you everything you need. Just send the battery back and they'll send you a new battery. So we thought that was pretty cool. I've been in power sports for 20 plus years. And it really sucks when you go out to the garage and you try to start your motorcycle or your side-by-side or your four-wheeler up and it doesn't start. So you got a peace of mind of a 10-year warranty. Normally I would replace a battery every 2 to 3 years. So the battery's got to pay for itself in the end. So that's what we're going to be doing today. They sell batteries for every major brand: Kawasaki, Can-Am, Polaris, Harley-Davidson, motorcycles, any power sport machine. I'll go ahead and put a link in the description of this video where you can go to their website, and also I'll put a link to this battery. And if you guys have a Can-Am and you guys are interested in this battery, you can just click that link and go right to it and purchase it off of Amazon. So let's go ahead and open this up. And this is the direct replacement. So it should fit right in there. There we go. And like I said, it comes charged already. You don't have to worry about anything. And there we go. That's what it looks like. So let's go ahead and let's take the old battery out. I'll show you guys how to do that if you have a Can-Am. We already took the seat out. It's pretty basic though. You guys can just take these 2 bolts out right here. It's 13 millimeter. And then you got these 2 bolts back here. Take the back bolts out. And I believe that is a 19 millimeter. And then basically we have to take these 2 bolts out right here. Already got the one out. Let's take the other one out. And this battery should pop right out. Just set that there. There we go. And then we got the 2 Phillips screws. Go. Let's get that side out, and let's get this side out. And it's basically a 10-minute job. Comes down to it. There we go. Just like that. You guys can see direct replacement. Look at that. So we'll go ahead and put this one in. And we should be good to go. Back in like that. So we'll go ahead and put this in there. And then we're going to start her up for you guys. You guys can see it's straight out of the box. Didn't charge it anything. Comes already charged. Real simple job, guys. There we go. Alright, all we gotta do hook these right up. And I know some of you guys ask why there's no cover. It looks like there's a cover that's supposed to be here that covers this battery. You can buy an aftermarket one, but this is how Can-Am does it. They don't put a cover on there to cover up the battery. So probably would be a good idea to have one. Keep the mud out. But let's take it around there. There we go. A little tight, but once you get it going, you're good. And there we go. Just like that. So we'll go ahead and put the seat back in, and then we'll go ahead and start her up for you guys. Alright, the seat back in. Let's go ahead and start her up. Should start right up. There you go. Come over here. You guys can see the voltage right here. Is that coming in 14.3 volts? Already charged. You guys ain't got to do nothing. Focus. There you go. All right. So, real simple job. Took what, about 10-15 minutes to do. Like I said, the company's name is BRS Battery. They're up in Canada. I appreciate them sending me a battery down, and we'll go ahead and put a link in the description to their website and a link in the description to this particular battery right here from Amazon. Like I said, they sell batteries for almost all power sports, all the major brands at least. You can go on their website, check it out. Strongly recommend them. If you guys are new to the channel, you like this kind of stuff, appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything. Also, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, tell me what you guys think, and follow us on our Instagram account, Facebook, and you can check out our merch store if you guys are interested in any merch. With that said, I'll see you on the next one.